sponsored by NewRepublic.com.
I've finally arrived at Harry Mwanga and Kambula International Airport in Livingstone, Zambia. The air was warm, and there is an undeniable feeling of being somewhere new. The small, friendly airport immediately set the tone, easy smiles, and a relaxed pace. Outside, I was picked up by Rolex Media Transportation, and I could already feel the rhythm of Livingstone. The drive from the airport to the town center took less than 15 minutes. Now arrive at the Radisson Blu Mosi-Oa-Tunya Livingstone Resort to check in. This hotel offers an experience that blends modern luxury with the raw beauty of Africa. This elegant riverside retreat invites guests to unwind in comfort while surrounded by some of Zambia's most breathtaking scenery. The rooms and suites are spacious and soothing, designed in warm, natural tones that echo the surrounding landscape. Many feature private balconies or terraces where guests can watch the sunrise. For those seeking deep relaxation, the spa and wellness offers a peaceful escape. It has treatment rooms and skilled therapists that deliver massages and facials using natural ingredients. The resort's infinity pool is a beautiful stretch of blue that seems to flow right into the river. Surrounded by comfortable shaded cabanas, it's the perfect place to cool off after a morning safari or simply bask in the African sun. For travelers who prefer to stay active, the fitness and weight room provides everything needed for a refreshing workout. Modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment are available 24 hours a day. The Radisson Blu provides comfort, wellness, and adventure that come together in harmony. This resort captures the essence of luxury in the heart of Zambia.